Hey guys, welcome to LS Tech's unboxing reviews and tips. Today I've got a Bluetooth speaker from EasyAcc, the SoundX Bluetooth Speaker. It has two 5-watt driver, it's Bluetooth with 20-hour playback time. So it comes in this nice brown box. So we got the logo, I think picture of the speaker, make it easy, just some codes and barcodes in the back. Let's open the box up. Okay, we present with the speaker in the middle. Let's just get this out and see what's below. Okay, so we got some paperwork here, some feedback, user guide manual. Okay, a really long one. Okay, so we have two cables. One, it's aux cable, so for those people who still use aux, you can still use that. And we got a micro USB-B for charging, hopefully. They're pretty long. Okay, let's get on with the speaker. Ooh. Okay, this feels... Okay, it's actually metal. Aluminium? Yeah. Okay, it feels really nice. Heavy. Okay, we got some LED lights up at the top to show what it's indicating. We got 4 buttons here: volume up, skip, pause, accept calls, my volume down and record mode. Okay, we got the design at the front, a grip, so this slide on the back. Oh, we got more growing speakers, power on button, power plug, aux cable, and micro SD card. Oh, that's nice. So you can go play from an SD card or aux cable or Bluetooth. Let's turn this thing on. Okay, it's lighting on. Bluetooth is on, I can see. Let's get a phone. Play some music. Okay, so to connect this phone, I'm gonna turn on my Bluetooth. Okay, it's showing up here. Let's get the brightness down. Let me just connect this phone quickly. It's connected now. Let's play the video. Okay, as you can see, it's early on, like halfway, and it's already pretty loud. It's a really loud speaker, I can say that for that. Feels good in the hand, nice, strong. We got drivers at the front and the back, the grip. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't and leave a like. Thank you guys.